Can a single product photo become three completely different commercial ads using just one AI platform? Normally, a project like this would mean jumping between multiple AI tools, organizing files, rewriting prompts, and constantly making revisions. So today, I'm putting Flova to the test to see if it can handle the entire creative process. Imagine you're a freelancer or running an agency. A client sends you one product photo and asks for multiple ad concepts for different platforms. Instead of just creating one video, you need different creative directions, revisions, and organized project files that you can come back to later. That's exactly the kind of workflow I'm going to build today. I'll give Flova everything it needs to understand the product, audience, style, and campaign goals. Instead of immediately generating a video, Flova first uses this information to understand the entire project. It develops creative directions, organizes the campaign, prepares storyboards, and creates a shot plan before generation even begins. It feels more like working with an AI creative partner than simply typing prompts into a video generator. Before generating anything, I'll review the creative direction Flova prepared. The concept already looks good, but one of the opening shots doesn't feel realistic. The bottle appears to emerge from inside the floor, which breaks the illusion of a real commercial. I'll regenerate just that shot so the bottle enters the scene in a more natural and believable way. That gives me much more control over the final result. That's much better. The shot feels far more natural and believable now. Now let's watch the complete commercial and see if there's anything that needs refining. It looks great. Now let's improve the ending by adding the logo and a brand slogan. That's much better. The logo and slogan give the commercial a much stronger finish. I'm happy with the new ending, so let's approve it and see the final result. Now let's create two additional advertising concepts, using the same product and campaign, but with completely different creative directions. Now Flova is asking me to choose the delivery format for the two new concepts. I'll select the Social Plus brand film pair because it gives us one short-form version for TikTok and Reels. Flova is now generating two new ad concepts from the same campaign. The new concepts are ready for review. I'll check both versions to make sure the visuals, pacing, and brand style are consistent. The energetic social media version has a faster pace and is designed to capture attention on short-form platforms. The clean lifestyle version takes a more refined approach, focusing on the premium brand experience and emotional connection. Here is the final short-form vertical campaign designed for social platforms. Now let's take a look at the long-format lifestyle campaign. Another nice feature is that Flova automatically keeps all the approved assets organized within the project. That means I can come back at any time and continue working without rebuilding the campaign from scratch. Flova isn't just about generating videos, it's about managing the entire creative workflow in one workspace. Use my link below to get 100 free credits plus 200 credits per referral. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.